If you're frustrated by low credit scores holding you back, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use AI for credit repair and skyrocket your score fast in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris, the AI credit guy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all of the AI credit repair hacks you will ever need. First, let's quickly talk about credit scores and why they matter. Your credit score impacts everything from loan approvals to interest rates and even job opportunities. Common causes of low credit scores include late payments, high credit utilization, and negative marks like collections. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools to get those negative accounts deleted. AI technology is revolutionizing credit repair. Unlike traditional methods, AI offers faster, more personalized solutions. For instance, AI tools like ChatGPT can analyze your credit report, identify errors, and suggest actionable steps. This approach saves time and increases accuracy, leading to better credit repair outcomes. Plus, you no longer have to pay expensive credit repair fees or monthly recurring software fees. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of using AI for credit repair. You will need to pull all three of your credit reports: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. If you want your FICO scores and reports, you can get them from MyScoreIQ. I put a link in the description for a $1 7-day trial. If you don't care about your score right now, you can get your credit reports free of charge from Annual Credit Report. That link is below as well. Now that you have your credit reports, let's fix that credit. Step 1. Create a free account with ChatGPT. If you really want to go deep though, I do recommend the paid version for just $20 per month. Step 2. If you are using the free version of ChatGPT, simply copy and paste your entire credit report to it. If you have the paid version, use the 4.0 option and upload your credit report in PDF form. Step 3. Type this prompt into ChatGPT to begin the analyzation of your credit report. I will put the prompts in the description. Step 4. After ChatGPT has analyzed your credit report, you can now prompt it to begin to create your dispute letters to each of the credit reporting agencies based off the analysis. Step 5. Either print out and mail your letters off to the credit reporting agencies. If you don't have a printer, no worries. You can use LetterStream to mail them off for you. Simply create an account with them and upload your letters to be printed and delivered. Voila! It's that simple. If you thought this was good, follow me for more and comment below any questions you may have or want me to cover.